Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
Fine, good.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Okay, I'm a degree holder and I have many work experience, like 2 years experience working in office clerk receptionist, and 2 years working in catering coordinator in the Philippines, and also 2 years experience being waitress.
Okay. What experience do you have in cleaning?
Nothing, ma'am, but I'm a mother of 8 children. I know how to clean in my home. I know how to arrange my bed and so on. Some.
How do you clean a bathroom?
First is garbage, and also clean the bowl inside and outside, and use the toothbrush, and also put the Tide, Disol, or Sunrox or Clorox.
Okay. And how much salary are you looking for?
1,800, ma'am.
What is your
About
favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
all, ma'am, cooking, cleaning.
Okay.
But in cooking is a Filipino food, ma'am.
What type of food can you cook?
Adobo, like this. Pasta.
Okay. In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Take the medicine. And for example, the baby is hot. You need to put the towel and put water cold and wash the body, hand, and legs.
Okay. And if the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
Call to my mom and ask to madam what happened to their children.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
Watching TV or read the pocketbook. And also singing and dancing.
How long do you want to work here in UAE? For how many years? Okay.
2 years and a half.
Why do you think you should be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
I'm a hardworking, energetic, I'm a strong person.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.